Hi everyone, welcome to this week's Friday video. Thank you again for joining me on our channel. This week I have some exciting news. The company Joya Mia has come out with 2 new lines of colors. So there's 24 colors in each line, which means 48 new colors. So the first one is called SparX, and these are like a metallic flake kind of color almost. They are absolutely gorgeous. And the second one is called Gelaxia, and these are like a mylar flake, and these are swatched over black, but when you put them over top of other colors, they have different effects. So I'll give you a closer look at all 48 new colors, and then I'll do a fun fall inspired look using a Gelaxia color and a SparX color as well. Thank you so much for joining me this week. I hope you enjoyed our video. And thank you for always subscribing to our channel and liking and sharing the videos. If you have any questions or comments, please feel free to leave them in the section below. And don't forget that you can also support us by following us on Facebook and liking us on Instagram.